Stock number 41631Y. It's a 2013 Volkswagen Golf GTI. You see the front bumper's no good. The hood's no good. That headlight's no good. This headlight's broken right here. Passenger fender's no good. But the aftermarket, it says rotiform rims. They are aftermarket. You can see I believe these are carbon fiber side view mirrors. You got a parking lot ding, a couple more little dings right there in the door. Back door looks good. Quarter panel looks good. Rear bumper, we got some paint problems right there. Paint problems in the middle. Paint problems right there. You can see all the paint problems. This quarter panel's got a little parking lot ding right there. The taillights are good too as well. The spoiler's good. The deck lid's good. Got a little paint problem right there. A little paint problem down there. Getting carbon fiber is peeling a little bit. The front fender looks good. Steering wheel airbags deployed. The driver knee airbags deployed. The passenger dash airbags deployed. It does have a key. It does not start. The seatbelt's good. Got the paddle shifters. It does have a sunroof. This is stock number 41631Y. It's a 2013 Volkswagen Golf GTI.